children. I'm teacher Nisha here today to teach you something about very important part from English grammar. Okay, so let us learn about tenses. Can you tell me the importance of tenses in English language? Or do you know the purpose of tenses in an English language? Tenses are actually used in communication, both verbal and written. Tenses are also used to indicate the time which something is happened. So before starting the detailed lesson, I just like to ask you a few questions. What are the three major tenses in English? Or how many tenses are there in English? Are there 12 or 16 tenses in English? I know you are in a confused stage to give the right answer right away because you didn't learn it properly, right? So no need to worry about finding out the answer. I have a solution here. We are going to learn about the tenses and its aspects. Okay, so what is the topic we are going to learn today? Tenses. So what's the purpose of tense? Why do we learn tense? Tenses are the most important part of English language. So if you wish to write a correct sentence or wish to say something to somebody, you need to express the idea in the right form of the tense. That is why we are learning tenses. Okay? Without the correct use of tense, you cannot make a complete sentence in English language. Okay, so we are going to learn a detailed way about tenses. My first question, what are the three major tenses in English? We have three major tenses in English. First one is past, second is present, then we have future. So, what are the three major tenses in English? Past, present, future. And these three tenses are divided into four aspects that are simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Okay, three major tenses and four aspects. In total, together we are going to add these major tenses and the aspect. Three major tenses and four aspect equal 12 tenses. So the second answer is ready now. What was my first question? What are the three tenses in English? What are the three tenses? Past, present and future. So how many tenses are there in English? In total we have 12 tenses. Okay, so what are the aspects? Four aspects in English. These three tenses, the major tenses are again divided into four aspects. Simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So how did we find these 12 tenses? Three major tenses into four aspects. Total we have 12 tenses. Okay, so let's see how to find these 12 tenses with the help of a chart, or how can we find these 12 tenses with the help of a chart. So my dear children, today teacher is going to show you a tense chart and how to prepare this tense chart, how to fill up or find out the 12 tenses with the help of this chart. Okay, that is my intention. That is what I'm going to teach you today. So what are we going to learn today? Write the heading top of this paper. Tenses. Okay. So I already taught what are the three major tenses, right? We already learned what are the three major tenses. You have to, for preparing this chart, you have to take a small A4 sheet paper or a chart paper, then divide that paper into 12 boxes. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 boxes. Okay, make it ready. Like before you start learning the tenses, you have to take a paper and get it ready like this. Okay, now write the heading. What are we going to learn today? Tenses. What are the three major tenses? What are the three major tenses? Past, present and future. So right here on the top of the column. Past, present, future. So now three major tenses are ready here. Inside of this chart paper, left side of this column, again it shows like a blank area, right? There you have to fill the four aspects. What are the four aspects? Simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Okay, so you can fill this here in the left side of this chart paper. Okay, right here, simple. Next is continuous. We have perfect, and finally perfect continuous. Okay, so now on the chart you have only major tenses at the four aspect. It doesn't mean that we got all the 12 tenses here. No, we are going to find what are the 12 tenses from these chart. Okay, the first one, simple and past, we are going to join and write here simple past. Simple past. Okay, simple and past, simple past. Next is simple and present. Simple present. Next is we have simple and future. Simple future. Okay. Again we are coming to the second, continuous and past. How to join this column? Past and continuous. You can write here past, continuous. Okay, next we have continuous and present. You can write here present, continuous. Next is future and continuous. Future continuous. I don't have space here, so I'm just making it short form. Future continuous. Okay, when you are preparing it, you have to write the full form here. Next is perfect and past here. You have to write past perfect. That's the same way you have to follow present and perfect. Present perfect. Next is perfect and future together. Future perfect. Almost all area we are filled now. Now the last area, perfect continuous and past together. Past, perfect, continuous. Again, present and perfect continuous. So present, perfect, continuous. Finally, future, perfect, continuous together you have to join. Future, write the future here. Future, same. Then present, perfect, future, perfect, continuous. So now the problem solved for you, and suppose anyone is asking you a question in any occasion, how many tenses are there in English? Without having any doubt, you must have to say an answer like, we have 12 tenses. See here, you have 12 boxes here. You filled all the major tenses and its aspects here. So without having any doubt, you must have to answer, we have 12 tenses. And the first question again is, we have to find the answer. What are the three major tenses? We have past, present and future. Three major tenses and 12. In total we have 12 tenses. Okay, so my dear student, I think this lesson would be helpful for you to understand about the tenses and the major aspects and the entire complete 12 tenses. So I think you can easily learn everything about tenses from this chart. you have to do one more thing before learning about tenses. You have to get set ready with the chart paper and follow up this solution, this method. So easily you can find out what are the tenses aspects or join together and find out the 12 tenses. Okay, so tomorrow when I'm giving you another session, before I'm taking another session, you have to learn it this complete chart. Then only it would be more easy for you to understand the sentence structure of each tenses and the use of each tenses. So in upcoming days of this video, I will continue this classes of taking tenses, and upcoming video you can learn more about what are the uses of these tenses and what are the sentence structure of these tenses. Okay, so my students, hope you all will get a clear idea from my session. So uh, you have to get ready with this tense chart, and following days we will learn more in detail. Thank you.